Chief Executive Carrie Lam announced new measures for the pricing policy of subsidized sale flats. The affordability test of the existing pricing mechanism of home ownership scheme flats will be revised by ensuring that at least 75% of flats instead of the current 50% are affordable, and using the median monthly income of households which do not own flats. That figure, excluding MPF contributions of $39,500, will replace the current monthly income limit of white form family applicants of $57,000. Mrs. Lam said the move will bring the price of HOS flats down to about 52% of market value from the current 70%. Assuming there is a 400 square feet flat in Kai Tak Kai Lung Court, for example, the price per square foot will be $9,800, with a discount rate of 30%. Under the new measure, the price per square foot for the same flat will be $7,280 after a 48% discount. The price of the flat under the new measure will be $2.9 million, compared to $3.9 million. Mrs. Lam also announced Green Form subsidized home ownership scheme flats will be discounted 10% more than the previous HOS sale exercise to make it more attractive and affordable to public housing tenants. The new pricing policy for the Green Form subsidized home ownership scheme will come into effect this year. The government will also invite the Housing Authority to study the implementation of the new pricing policy for HOS flats to be sold this year.